the 2-bucket wash method. I have emphasized quite a lot of times on the benefits of the 2-bucket wash method, and I have written a blog about this. I have told a lot of people in person what it is. Today I'm going to show you how it is done, and I'm an expert, so I'm going to be doing it very fast. So make sure you watch out for it. So now that you've seen the result, this is what I have followed for a very long time to maintain my vehicle, and you can see how beautifully my vehicles are maintained. Now, because we are all at home, you do not have an option to take it to a detailer. So you can use just the basic essentials that are available in your house, just 2 buckets, some good automotive shampoo, a few microfibers, and that's it. But you need a lot of patience, and you need to get into a slight bit of details to get it right. Don't forget those door jambs, because they can look very nasty after you have cleaned your entire vehicle. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me. You have my WhatsApp, you have Facebook, you have Instagram. Do reach out and let me know if you have any questions on the same. As usual, this is Prameet. Stay home, stay safe.